Hello again everybody, and welcome back to my little kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to fry an egg. Well, you're probably thinking to yourself, especially my regular subscribers, why do we need to learn how to fry an egg? Well, trust me folks, some people can't fry an egg. So today's going to be a very short video, and for those people, just for those people, for those select few, I'm going to show them how to fry an egg. Now, first things first, we've got to crack the egg to get it out of the shell, obviously, and I prefer to crack mine into a little dish like this, which is called a ramekin. Basically, it's a lot lower, you're a lot less likely to break the yolk inside the egg, which is the last thing you want to do. So here we go. Fingers in like that, thumbs really. There we go. There we go. All in one piece. As for the equipment we're going to need a nice spatula. I've got a brand new one which I've got to unwrap and give it a quick wash. And a good quality non-stick pan. Now, even though it's a non-stick pan, I'm going to add a small amount of oil and a small amount of butter. Gently slide your egg into the pan. There we go. So it's cooking already. I prefer mine sunny side up, which is just like this really. I just give it a little bit longer to cook. Some people like to flip them over, but I prefer mine like this. I think they even look more attractive really. Nice and loose. What you need to do is make sure that all of the white is cooked. But for me, the yolk is not cooked that much. Some people want it cooked right through, but I don't. Doesn't that look nice? Now that's done for me. This is my toaster, or they're all the same. The bread doesn't fit properly. I'll turn it over halfway through. Just yummy, just how I like my eggs on toast. Look at that. Tasty. Well, thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's quite a short one, and hope you enjoy your eggs when you cook them as well. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish. Bye for now.